The American Convention on Human Rights is a regional human rights treaty that protects civil and political rights within the Americas. It establishes a system of courts and commissions to ensure these rights are upheld, including the right to life, freedom from torture, fair trial rights, and more. Landmark cases like Velásquez Rodríguez and Godínez Cruz have shaped the interpretation and application of the convention, particularly regarding states' obligations to prevent human rights violations. Key features. 1. Focus on civil and political rights. The convention primarily focuses on protecting fundamental rights like the right to life, freedom from torture, and fair trial rights. 2. Establishment of institutions. It created the Inter-American Commission on Human Rights and the Inter-American Court of Human Rights to monitor and enforce these rights. 3. State obligations. The convention places obligations on state parties to respect, protect, and ensure the enjoyment of human rights. 4. Example. If a person is arrested without due process, the Inter-American Court could order the state to release the individual and compensate them for the violation of their right to liberty. And 5. Landmark cases. Velásquez Rodríguez, 1988, established the state's obligation to prevent human rights violations, even if they were committed by non-state actors. Godínez Cruz, 1989, similar to Velásquez Rodríguez, emphasized the state's responsibility to investigate and punish human rights abuses. In simpler terms, the American Convention on Human Rights is like a rulebook for how countries in the Americas should treat people. It says everyone has certain basic rights that the governments must respect, like the right to not be tortured or unfairly arrested. It also creates special courts and commissions to make sure these rules are followed, and these courts have made important decisions in the past to protect people's rights. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, and comment.